Now, in the previous lecture, we talked about AI interest, AI demand, and also AI adoption. Now, there is another curve which is actually important. You see, by now, most of the courses which talk about AI, by now they would have started with how high salaries are of data scientists. They will talk about details like this. But if you start just with that and you start without knowing the reality, it might derail you. And if you have take a wrong path, you will not at all get started. So this thing is actually important. If you think this is a theoretical lecture, it's not. It has a consequence on how whether your career is going to get started or not. So do take time to listen and understand these things. Now let's talk about another curve, which is hype cycle. So Gartner actually creates this cycle, which is called as technology hype cycle. The previous thing was technology adoption curve. This thing is technology hype cycle. So if you go back here, let me just erase this. If you go back here, you will see innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, laggards. It's the same way. So innovation is here. And as and when time passes, a technology, as and when it matures, it goes forward towards from left hand side to right hand side. So innovation starts, then there is majority, early adopters and early majority. So hype is increasing, expectations are increasing as and when time passes, and at some point it reaches maximum. Okay, knowing the complete picture is very important because of a simple point. If your graph is reaching like this and you expect it will make the same trend, then the graph in your mind will look like this. But in reality, it is going to crash from there. So knowing the inflection point, knowing the turning point is very important. So once your expectations reach maximum, that's when, in philosophical terms, suffering starts. If you want to be happy, you either lower your expectations or you improve whatever you want. You just improve your quality of efforts you are putting in. Is the same thing here. Expectations keep growing, 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 and the realities has not caught up yet. Then the delusion might start. People are like, AI is not at all what we thought it was. The product is not making a good impact. Making AI is hard. We can't find good people. All of such things actually start. Okay, so any technology goes from this expectation, and right now the companies who adopted AI just because of VC money, there was a case study by a VC company which said in Europe more than 50% of companies who market themselves as AI companies, they were not actually using AI. So VCs is nothing but a venture capitalist who actually give money to the company which is trying to solve a certain problem. And a company which specializes in giving other companies money to do something what they want to do, they realize that most of the startups are not using AI, even though they call themselves AI startup. The link for this will be included in the Notion document, which you can find in the Udemy link section. So check, if you want extra resources, check at that page. Meanwhile, because this thing starts, there is one very important thing to know. Many people abandon the ship here. You see, let's say you were on Titanic, okay, and Titanic isn't going as good as you think it is. Then it is actually, there are two things. So here, if it is going down, right, there are two things to know here as well. Is the graph going to keep going down or is it going to recover? So here in the first half, graph doesn't keep going up. Here in the second half, graph doesn't keep going down. If you abandon ship here, you will drown, whereas the ship you abandon will live on. So it's not a good idea to abandon something too early as well. So when you know that what's the disillusionment many people are facing, you can actually stick through the field. Most of the technologies, they have actually gone beyond this thing, and then slope of enlightenment, where people realize the mistakes they were making before. Right now, only few companies are realizing the mistakes they made before. If you can realize the mistakes many companies or many data scientists are making, you are already amongst the enlightened one. So you are amongst the tribe of more enlightened people who are looking at the big picture. Never look at something so closely that you miss a very important fact. So the all first three slides were telling you details about the map. Don't take a wrong turn, and that wrong turn will have a big impact on your entire career. So this map is very important, and as long as you stick to it, as long as you learn essential things, this thing is going to reach plateau of productivity. It will be used by a lot of company, and as you already know, the threshold of knowledge is going to go higher and higher. So don't think that you will learn just this and you should get job without ever learning anything new. People say that it's a lifelong learning. If you want to stagnate in your career, then your knowledge stagnation is acceptable. But I think Alice in Wonderland has this really amazing quote. The quote in that novel, which is written for kids, the quote says, in my world, you have to run as fast as you can just to stay at the same place. Our world is not as bad as that world. But if you wanna just take it slow, take it chill, you are act fine at wherever you are without ever, trying to go higher in your career, you still have to grow your knowledge. Maybe at point, maybe at 5% per year. If in your country inflation is growing at 10%, probably the increase in knowledge is directly a same number as your inflation. So if you want to retain your career, grow your knowledge at same rate as your inflation. But if you want to grow faster, the growth of your knowledge needs to be higher. And this is what the map is actually telling you. Hopefully by now you have a complete accurate picture about the reality. Just because reality is not as good place as you thought it was, doesn't mean closing your eyes is going to help. You see, when we were kids, there is a one very developmental interesting phenomena which happens in kids. So kids actually think that if they close their eyes, whatever is scary in front of them, they think it has disappeared. So by closing their eyes, the kids think that it has disappeared. They feel like danger has gone away and they are safe. And this way of survival was actually adopted by many animals. So if some predator is hunting something, then you'll find there are many mammals who play dead. Playing dead is like pretending things are okay, whereas sometimes they get okay, sometimes they don't. So we are just giving you a real picture. This is not a scary picture. This is just telling you that you need to know the entire map and you need to just adopt your knowledge. Current knowledge threshold is a bit higher. And also, when you start your first job, you still need to keep learning. Whether you are keep your learning slow at a slow pace or a fast pace doesn't matter, but you still have to keep learning. So hopefully that has cleared a few points before you start your career.